some garlic, and there are also some onions, shrimp, make sure you remove the veins, and carrot. This is some leftover jasmine rice that we had ate yesterday, and here are some ingredients that give flavor to our food. It comes with Kimball oyster sauce.
Laki naman, Kimbal.
We also have some black pepper powder,
Okay.
and we have iodized salt.
Yes, some iodized.
Okay, let's go. This is extra virgin. First, we will preheat the pan, and then we will add the cooking oil. Putting in the shrimp. You will know that it's cooked if it has turned orange. When your shrimp is cooked, we will put it aside. As you can see, the shrimps are already turning orange. Turn orange, and it means that it's already cooked. We will put it aside. And now we will put some more oil, and we have to saute the onions and garlic. Until the garlic turns brown, and then add half of the onion spring. Then add some black pepper powder. After that, add your iodized salt. Mix. The carrots to be cooked. Now that our carrots are cooked, you can add in the main ingredient, which is the rice. Mix until the rice is fried. After that it's already fried, add oyster sauce. After adding your oyster sauce, remember to mix it. After the sauce, we will now add in the shrimp that we had set aside. Then, after adding your shrimp, mix. So yummy, Mommy. Happy breakfast. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we have a new video. See you guys. Bye. Mommy's cooking and we're going to be rating it after. So
Sarah? How is it? Sheil? Good?
Yeah, I'll give it a 10.
10?
Yeah.
Yeah. How about you, my love?
I love a 7.
7?
Not 10? Yeah. Why not 10? It's really yummy. Guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Please remember to subscribe to my mom's channel and don't forget to put on the bell icon so you